Welcome to 21 North Street in Gorham, Maine.
Instantly fall in love with the curb appeal and the charm of this home. The flat open yard is perfect to navigate, plant gardens, and watch nature. An excellent mix of old and new, the antique charm of the home is a huge attraction, but couple that with the updated and modern amenities, it is the perfect match for somebody who appreciates all the work that has gone into it. That from the moment that you enter, you feel warm from all the natural light, and I consider this the heartbeat of the home. From the open floor plan that allows for a spacious feeling, coupled with the quality finish of the cabinets, the counters, even a butler's pantry. As you make your way through this home, there is quality everywhere, from the 6-inch moldings to the high-end doors, your own laundry facility. The entire area is serviced by central air to keep you cool. As we make our way into the antique part of the home, you are welcomed by one of several original fireplaces. This has the cleanliness of an insert and the stainless steel flue. The antique raised panels, the doors, the molding, all complement one another with the amazing floors. Passing through the front hall, we enter a room with many opportunities, from a library, a den, an office, a nursery, or another bedroom. A pass-through door allows access to the main bedroom with ensuite, and it continues with its antique charm. As we make our way to the second floor, we are greeted by 2 bedrooms and a 3/4 bath. Again, carrying the antique feel and hardwood floors, you can decide if you want a first floor or a second floor primary bedroom. This home is fully updated and will provide years of enjoyment for the next owner. The current owners have loved this home, and I'm confident that the new owners will as well.